So ladies and gentlemen, so today we are going to analyze BNB USDT and BNB BTC pair on high time frame analysis and the price prediction purely based on technical analysis. So here we go. This is the daily chart for BNB USDT pair, and what I see is we are moving inside a big symmetrical triangle, and it has given a breakout. Okay, yesterday it closed yesterday candle above the trend line. I want to tell you something. I'm recording this video again because what happened when the last time I recorded it, I forgot to press the record button. Okay, and I forgot to press the screen recording button, and it didn't get recorded, and I was so frustrated. Like, I recorded 4 to 5 videos straight back to back, 4 to 5 videos, and just they were just of no use because they were not being recorded. Fine, so let's get into the analysis. So here we have a triangle on the high time frame, right? So right now it has given the breakout, yes, and what we can do is you can buy at current market price or at this level of retracement, which is 440, around 440 to 450, and still there is more confirmation we need so it to reach higher targets. And for the targets for this bull run for BNB, the minimum is $1,000 minimum, because if we draw the fib from top to bottom, you will see around $1,000 we have 1.272. okay, and even if we get the fib extension from the recent retracement and the upside leg, we get this area as a good confluence, like good area. So here we can book our profit like 25 to 30% profit. You can book your position. $1,000 is the first target, and after that we have wait we have 1700 and 2200. okay, and if we measure the target according to this triangle, we have it, which is around $1,000. so that is why I'm saying $1,000 is a crucial point, is a crucial price level where you can start booking partially. okay, because this is going to be the final leg, and you need to be very precise, you need to be very greedy in booking the profits. okay, so one more thing, it needs to hold this level on STF, which is high time frame, which is $317. This is the swing low. It needs to hold this low, and because suppose if BTC dumps from 60,000, it will take like 10 to 20% correction, which would be around 49k, okay, 50k. Then there can be chances it can go back in triangle. okay, so for that, this is the area, we should not close below this area, we should stay above it, and any retracement is a buy. Just do DCA, dollar cost averaging whenever it retraces. And yeah, one more thing, BNB is a blue chip coin. Blue chip coin means the returns are promising, means they have high probability that you will get the returns. okay, but the returns are not going to be massive, like it can go to 3 to 4x or 5x at max, because BNB is already holding like a big market cap. If you want the 10x to 15x gains, you need to look to the mid cap or to the low cap, but there the gains are not promising. okay, so that is the thing, and you should keep BNB in your portfolio with allocation of 5 to 7%, not more than 10%. Okay, well, because you're going to miss the gains, but yes, you will get the gains. Okay, so let's move on to the BTC chart now. On BTC chart, it is doing the same thing but in different format. Like we saw in USDT chart, it was moving in a triangle, means it was moving in a consolidation. Here also it is moving in a range, and this is the range. Wait, yeah, this is the range. It currently just pumped from the low range and going towards the mid range, and if it breaks this range, because in USDT pair BNB is breaking out, if it breaks this range, we can see a new rally higher, which will be around 100% to 200% minimum, I'm expecting. Okay, because from last 8 months, it is moving in a range. And if it is going to give a breakout, it will be a massive breakout, and BNB usually doesn't retrace, so it can give you a massive breakout. So you can buy anywhere in between this, anywhere here in between this range, anywhere. Okay, if we get the fib on this retracement, like, see, yeah, we have a 200% gain, around 300% gain. So that is the video for today on BNB, and I want you to join our Telegram channel, because I post market updates there, instant market updates, because I can't make video on everything which is happening in the market, right? And market updates is not a thing which we should post daily. It should be like weekly update or after a month. Okay, and we have a chat group also with the like-minded traders, where you can communicate with them and get your queries solved and build a connection with them, because when you share your knowledge, it expands, it clears your ideas, it gives you better ideas. Okay, and we have a premium service also, where I post my personal trades, personal assistance. You will be given personal assistance by me, and all the trades which I take with technical analysis, risk online, proper investing portfolio also. I have built like there are 8 to 10 coins in my portfolio, which I have recommended to my premium members for long term hold, or maybe till this bull run get ends. Okay, so thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video.
Sink into the abyss of a new dark age, made more sinister and perhaps more protracted by the lights of perverted sorrow.